Since February 3, 2023, our system ranks Ford as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.025. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for Ford, our last headline reads, Ford stock price fell more than -7.61% Friday, closing at $13.23. The Ford stock price fell by -7.61% on the last day, Friday, February 3, 2023, from $14.32 to $13.23. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.49% from a day low at $12.78 to a day high of $13.61. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 6.69% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 67 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 164 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $2.17 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $18.63, and the lowest price was $10.61. Right now the price is 28.99%, or $5.40, below 52-week high, and 48.86%, or $12.64, below all-time high January 13, 2022, where the price hit $25.87. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -8.96% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -28.62% and -1.62%. The 12-month trend indicates a -21.45% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -48.21% and -13.59%. This equals a price between $6.85 and $11.43 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Friday, February 3, 2023, benchmark set price target to 19. On Friday, February 3, 2023, Deutsche Bank set price target to 11. On Wednesday, January 25, 2023, JP Morgan set price target to 15. On Wednesday, January 25, 2023, JP Morgan set price target to 15. On Wednesday, January 25, 2023, JP Morgan set price target to 15. From analysts, Ford stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Ford. The Ford stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $13.42. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $12.48. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 2, 2023, and so far it has fallen -7.61%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Ford. Ford finds support from accumulated volume at $12.72, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 83 cents between high and low, or 6.49%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 3.86%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Ford. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Ford currently has a price-earning ratio of 5.92. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Ford meets first resistance at $13.51. If you do not hold Ford shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Ford finds first level of support at $12.72, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Ford is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On December 31, 2022, Weimar John B. made an inside sell of 1,743 of Ford stock units. On December 31, 2022, Weimar John B. made an inside buy of 1,743 of common stock, 1 cent par value. On December 1, 2022, Weinberg John S. made an inside buy of 1,791 of Ford stock units. On December 1, 2022, Weimar John B. made an inside buy of 1,776 of Ford stock units. On December 1, 2022, Vojvodik Radakovich Lin made an inside buy of 1,452 of Ford stock units. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 19.397. In total, the insiders bought 6,184,985 and sold 3,991,279 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Ford stock a buy? Ford holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 6th, we expect Ford to open down $0.0234 and start trading at $13.21. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to